What's up, everybody? So, wanted to tell you a story this week. I ran credit on two separate borrowers. Both of them had a bankruptcy about 5 to 6 years ago, but one of the borrowers had credit scores in the 500s. The other borrower had credit score in the 700s. So, why the big difference? It was a reestablishment of credit. It is super important to reestablish credit after a derogatory event. So if you went through short sale or foreclosure or had a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, it's super important not to crawl into a box and not charge anything, not open up any new credit, and pay cash for everything. You've got to reestablish credit. Remember, nearly half of your credit score is derived from your credit history and debt utilization. So if you don't open up any new trade lines, there's nothing to build your scores back up. So the events happened and it crushed both my borrowers' credit scores. The borrower in the 500s didn't open up any new trade lines, so their scores stayed low. And this bankruptcy happened 5 years ago, but there was nothing to pull their scores back up. My other borrower, after bankruptcy, opened up some trade lines and slowly built their credit up. And over time, their scores got, increased up to over 700 points. So there's three ways to reestablish credit. There's more than that, but the three best ways initially are to get a secured card. Remember, right after bankruptcy, you're an extremely risky borrower in a lender's eyes. So it's hard to get a credit card right after bankruptcy. Don't even try to apply for American Express or a Discover or a Chase card because you're going to get denied. Instead, start by getting a secured card where you deposit $500 in a bank or a credit union, and then you get a secured card against that $500 that you've got deposited there. Option two is to get a cosigner. Get somebody that does have great credit to help cosign for that credit card. And option three is you can become an authorized user on someone else's account. This won't have as big of an impact on your credit score, but it certainly helps. So if somebody already has an American Express card or another credit card where they've got a really good payment history on it, just go on their card as an authorized user. So it is very important when you do start establishing these trade lines. I recommend about 2 to 3 trade lines. This will really start boosting your scores up. But it's very important that you use these cards every single month, but keep the balances under 30%. I find that 30% is kind of that threshold. Obviously, if you can keep it lower than 10%, ideal, but under 30% is that target to keep that balance under, and you'll soon see your credit scores increase dramatically. So hope this helps, and thanks for watching. Take care.